Located in the prestigious Lower Californie area or Basse Californie in Cannes, today we're going to be visiting a beautifully renovated 2-bedroom Bourgeois style apartment with these wonderful sea views. The apartment is located in a residence that was built in the late 1800s as a hotel. It was then turned into apartments, and the apartments are full of original character and charm. We have high ceilings, for example, fireplaces, and in this apartment we have views from every window as we're on the top floor. We have the park of the residence below, which is private and so affords total peace and tranquility, overlooking the islands and the sea. So without further ado, let's take a look at this property together. And if you have any questions, my name is Alice and you're welcome to contact me. For now, let's take a look. Come with me.